Good day, please introduce yourself.
I'm Cristilyn D. Magsayo, 27 years old, single, I'm high school graduate.
Do you have experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No, ma'am, but I have experience here in Philippines as a housemaid, 4 years, finished contract.
Okay. What are your duties and responsibilities in your previous employer?
My duties and responsibilities to my previous employer, taking good care of their son.
What the ages?
The one is 2 years old and the next is 12 years old.
Okay. Such as, you clean the house?
Yes, I clean the house, I wash the car, gardening, and
You're cooking?
I love cooking also.
Okay. Can you tell us how you take care of the children, a baby and elderly?
I cook them healthy foods, feed them, and
You make sure they are healthy and clean?
yes,
Okay. Please tell us some of your skills.
my skill is I love cooking. I am also pet lover.
Okay. You're willing to cook Chinese food?
Yes, I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
Can you cook Filipino food?
Yes.
Okay. What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
For me, as the good domestic helper, is the one is the loyalty of the employer, honest, fast learning, and hardworking.
Okay. Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
To my future employer, please choose as the one of your employee. I can assure that I can handle my duties and responsibilities, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract, and I thank you.
Thank you so much.